Welcome to the Promenade West at the Forum, where luxury and affordability meet. Welcome home to the gated community of Promenade West at the Forum. Only an employment transfer makes this Lennar Homes Trevi model available. Known for its ever-functional and versatile floor plan. Open concept living at its finest. From the moment you enter the foyer, you will fall in love with the soaring ceilings and the bright open feel. The expansive great room offers gorgeous wood tile flooring and massive amounts of natural light. The kitchen has a large center island, granite counters, stainless appliances and a walk-in pantry. Featuring 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathroom, 2 master suites. The main master has 2 walk-in closets and a large spa-inspired bathroom with a walk-in shower and a soaking tub. The oversized yard offers plenty of room for a pool in the future. The FORUM Promenade West offers LOW HOA fees that include lawn care and NOCDD. Close to Interstate 75 and walk or bike to the FORUM.